Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share a PDF as a link. Let's begin. Sharing a PDF as a link is a convenient way to distribute documents without attaching large files to emails or messages. And here's how you can do it using several different methods. Number one is using Canva. Now, Canva allows you to design your PDF and then share it directly as a link, which can be easily accessed by others. All right, so we have so many tutorials about using Canva, and one of them is using Canva to send PDF as a link, and it is a very straightforward process. For example, I'm working with a thumbnail here. I'm gonna send this to Andy as the thumbnail for our YouTube video. So before I could do that, I need to click on the share button on the upper right corner. This is very important, all right? So you have two options. Number one is, this is crucial, all right? You can send this PDF as a link, all right? That is by sharing this here. You see that? Okay, you can share as a public view link. What will happen is you would be created. This link can be deleted at any time. When you click on the create public view link, you see that one? Just copy that and store it in a safe place. That's number one method. But the thing is, the design is shared publicly. All right, anyone with the link can access and view only version of this design. If you don't want it, you might want to click on this option right here, where it says a collaboration link, where only you can access the design using the link. And again, it's the same thing as earlier. Anyone can access the design using the link. So that's method one, using PDF as a link. But if you wanted to get a copy of as a PDF, you might want to click on the download option first. All right. So the file type we're choosing is obviously PDF standard. Now, it's best documents for sending an email and attaching to your website, or you can also use the PDF print, which is, this is basically for hard copy. We're just going to choose the PDF standard. Now you have more options here to flatten PDF, include notes, or save download settings. Click on download, and the next method that we are going to show you is using Dropbox. Now, if you haven't already, I need you to sign into your Dropbox account and click on the upload files and select the PDF that we have already downloaded straight from Canva. All right, so this is the folder that I have created. It's empty for now. You can drop in the files here, or just click on upload and locate the folder on your desktop or your computer. We're gonna do that right now. Click on upload, and of course we're going to select the files. Now after that, just wait for it to upload, and you would be able to get the shareable link, right? You see that one here? The PDF has been accepted here, and just copy the link, all right? So you have now you have two you already have two links. One is from the Canva straight from itself, and one here is on Dropbox, all right? Now after uploading the file to the Dropbox, if you don't have an account here, but you have an account on Google Drive, we're switching over to Google Drive, and obviously we're going to create a new folder. All right, let's do that. I'm gonna rename this folder as this, and similarly to Dropbox, I'm gonna drag and drop the files here. Now you see the file has been already uploaded here. And again, you have an option here on the Google Drive. You can click on the share button or on this option, all right? Whatever you're comfortable. Now the thing is, you have an option, of course, to ensure that the settings are set to anyone with the link can view the document, or if you needed a tighter control, you can restrict the access to specific people, or set permissions to viewer only, commenter, and editor. And after that, copy and share the link generated by Google Drive, and share this link via email, social media, or any other platform where you want others to access the PDF. For example, I'm gonna send this email to Andy right now. One of the good things about Google is the ecosystem. So once I've copied the link, all I'm gonna do is go to the Google Apps and click on the Gmail. I would be forwarded here, and then I'm gonna hit compose. I'm gonna send it to Andy.com. And then now once everything is complete, you have here the G Drive link that Andy can open whenever he desires. And then we also have an option to explore using the OneDrive. All right, so I suggest you create an account here. It's free anyway. And from here, we're going to create a folder by clicking on My Files here. And then similarly to Dropbox and Google Drive, click on the Create or Upload. All right, I'm gonna click on this file. And then after that, I'm gonna drag the file or just attach the file here. Now, once the file is being uploaded, you see there's going to be a 3 dots icon here where you can show more actions for this item. And obviously you can download or share with other people. All right, here's the going to be settings. You have the anyone, people you choose, people with existing access. All right, of course you can set the permissions and authorization. They can make any changes or they cannot make any changes. All right, similarly, so you have multiple options for you to share a PDF as a link so that you can copy the link and send it to people, adding their names, group, or email. All right, after that, the next platform that we are going to use are BitLink. It is a shortened URL created using Bitly, a popular URL shortening service. Bitly allows users to take a long web addresses and condense them into shorter, more manageable links. So why it is very important? All right, so basically, I'm gonna take this G Drive link as an example. You see, when you get the URL, when you copy that, it's like it's too long. All right, and for example, you're working with a website like Wix, for example. I'm gonna add an element. I'm going to the image section, the media, and go to the single image. I can upload the media via the Google Drive, but the thing is, the link URL, for example, if you paste it here, simply import. What I wanted to do is essentially click the element and go to the embed in social. I'm going to use a share button to copy the link. If the link is too long, it's not going to be attractive. It's cluttered, right? So what I'm going to do is to make the URL shortened using the Bitly. Now all I'm going to do, you have two options here. Make a Bitly link or code. Put it that way. Of course, you can rename the title. This one, and click on create. It's a very straightforward process, really. Now, your link is ready. Copy the link below to share it to choose a platform to share it. So these are going to be your options. All right, you can choose all of these. But what I'm going to do instead is copy the link and go back to the Wix website. Okay, I'm going to click here and go to the embed social. So there's a lot of options that you can choose. Or you can simply go here at tiny URL. Similarly to Bitly, all I'm going to do is enter the long link here. Alright, and of course you can customize your link and shorten URL. Create shorter URLs with the tiny URL. Alright, after that, you can now paste the PDF link here on the whatever platform that you wanted, because sharing a PDF link is an efficient, secure, and professional method that offers greater flexibility and control over how document is distributed and accessed. Alright? And that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. See you in the next guide.